Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know me, my name is Anai. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I redo my kids' room. On the way over here, I don't know what happened. We were going through a little curve and all of a sudden the headboard just flew off. It almost hit me and I was just shaking and I was just like, oh my gosh, and then he wouldn't stop and I was like, oh my gosh. I was like, this can't be happening right now. So we didn't end up going back because we were so super loaded, and I was like, we can't just, you know, park and then go back and get it. Like, there's no way that we can do that. So we just left it and we actually don't have a bed set for the kids, but today I'm going to be using a bed frame that is just pure metal. I don't know how it's going to look. I'm pretty sure it's going to look better than what it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and give you guys a little tour and just go on from there and just go ahead and fix up the kids' room. And I'm going to be recording also my daughter's reaction to see like if she likes it. I hope I get everything done. Right now it is about almost 1ish. And everybody gets home like around 4:30, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and hurry up my best to get everything done. So pretty much she just has her bed, her toys over there. I did have some curtains, but I did take them off so it can give the room a little bit more light. And I will also be taking off all the plastic on the windows. And there's a lot of dirt comes in through the windows, but it's okay. I mean, we will be fixing that once we have time. So pretty much I just have her TV and her dresser right there so they can have some clothes, and then also just a bunch of clothes. This is part of the bed set. I'm just gonna go ahead and toss it too. I don't know, let me know what you guys think, if I should just it is just the two sideboards from the bed and then the ending of it, so like pretty much that would connect to the headboard, but I'm not too sure if I should keep it or not. So but anyways guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out and then I'm gonna go ahead and see how these rooms turn out. So if you guys don't mind, keep on watching. Okay, so pretty much the room is empty. I did clean out the closet. I didn't paint the closet because we were gonna put texture and then we just had to move in and we just didn't put anything else, but I will be putting some paint over that. I'm not too sure. I should probably do it soon. But I'm gonna go ahead and just clean the windows and then start sweeping just a little bit so the floor can look nice and clean. So pretty much I'll just be right back to see how I'm going to be putting the bed together, and yeah. Okay, I've never put in one of these before. I've seen my aunts and my mom do these, and I think you just clip these things on and just make it the size of the bed that you want it to make it. So I believe the bed is like universal. You can make it whatever size that you need. So in this case, I'm going to be using a full size, and I'm going to be putting it together, hopefully. I think so. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and assemble this and see how this turns out. Se cae, pues se cae. Okay, so this is pretty much how everything came out. It's really not a big deal, I guess you could say that, but to me it is. I love how the bed is not just sitting on the floor, and the floor looks super clean. I did go ahead and put a curtain right here on the closet so you wouldn't be able to see everything. All of their toys are in here. I do not have any I don't have like a closet in there as of right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it like that. And then I just put the little ornaments that they have given to them. I actually got this one when I was pregnant for Blizzy. I used to work at a hotel, and you know, people would always stay for work, and he brought it to me. He bought me that and a bib and some other stuff that he bought for Lizzie, but I do have their picture on there because it was for her. My mother-in-law actually brought her this too. I did buy those at Things to Remember, and all of those right there. And I also got the jail one from this manager, my hotel manager. I've had it for a super long time and I just don't want to get rid of it, so I just do have a lot of their little things that they do give them, and just for decoration. But yeah guys, I did like how everything came out, and I did connect their little karaoke thing so they can just, you know, turn it on whenever they want to. But yeah guys, I mean, it was really not it's really not a big old thing, like wow, you know, but I did like how everything just came out. Everything is just like super black, gray, and a little pop of color. But yeah guys, this is pretty much just it. I didn't really do too much, but I did like how the bed is just not sitting on the floor, and I was able to just do it. So okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I will be posting her reaction once she comes in. I'm going to be cleaning up the living room just a little bit because I do have like shoes and stuff like that that I did take out and I haven't put back in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I will record her reaction once she gets here to see like what she thinks and how she reacts to it. What? 100. You made 100? Good job, mommy. High five.
And Olivia wasn't. She was there.
She was not there.
Yeah.
Oh.
And Dysley and Peyton P passed too.
And you made 100? Are you happy?
Yes.
I got a surprise for you.
Yeah.
Are you ready to see? Okay, turn around. Do you like it? You do? Do you like it? Okay guys, so anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know that my daughter loved her room. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next time. Bye guys!